In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your knock sensor on your Hyundai Accent. It's located underneath your intake in the front of your car. All right, using a 10mm socket, we're going to take off the splash shield underneath to get better access to the knock sensor. Just follow along. Okay, now I'm working my way to the front. All right, so you can take that down. Do the same on the other side. All right, so we're going to disconnect this connector right here, push in on the tab and pull it out. We're going to pull that grommet, plastic grommet out and then take the connector off of that bracket. We're going to pull this out of the bracket using a trim tool. It's a little tough to get in there, but you should be able to once that's released. We're going to pull this connector off of the bracket. Like that. You're going to let the wire down. And now we're going to undo our bolt. All right, so you're going to use a 12mm socket and a 1/4" ratchet. It's the only way you're going to get this out, unless you take off the intake manifold. All right, once you crack that loose, it should be a little easier. I'm going to take my ratchet off and take out the bolt with my hand and take the knock sensor out. All right, we're going to place our knock sensor up with our bolt and get the bolt started by hand. All right, you're going to need an inch-pound torque wrench that's on the small side in order to torque this. I'm going to be doing 140 inch-pounds for this knock sensor. There we go. We're going to reattach our harness to the bracket and also slide that connector back on. After we've done that, we can plug in our connector. All right, so we're going to put our splash shield back. Get your bolt started first. Now I'm going to work my way over to the front. All right, so now we're going to slip our other one under it. Took this bolt out so we could slide it underneath. And then come around the other way. All right, so now you're going to line up this side in the wheel well area and get those bolts started. And now I'm going to come around the front and get this last bolt started as well. And our last one. And then there's a little notch right here, and you're going to push this piece through here. It's like a little locking tab to keep that together. And there you go. All right, now you're going to get in your car, you're going to start your engine. If your engine light is on, you're going to clear your engine code and make sure it doesn't come back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.